Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the logo on a Blocksy starter site. Okay, so we have a Blocksy starter site that we just imported, and we have the logo here. What if we wanted to change this? Alright, so let's go ahead and click on Customize. And it's going to take us to the Customizer. So once we're here, let's go ahead and hover over the logo, and there's going to be an ellipsis, or these three dots here. And let's click on that, and it takes us to the logo area. So let's go ahead and click on the pencil icon here on the main one, and choose one from our library. And there we have our logo. And as you can see, because we have a transparent header, it didn't change. So let's go ahead and remove this, and automatically you can see it changes to this. But if you wanted a different logo for the transparent state, we can click on this, or let's go ahead and choose something else. Let's go ahead with this bike icon, just for video purposes. And we also have a different logo for the sticky state. So when it goes down here, you can see it goes back to the original one. We can remove that, and it's going to be the same one because it's still a transparent header. Or we also have our dark mode here, and if we went into our header elements here, we can put the color switch on, well, beside the logo. Let's do that, and let's click on this again, and we have the color switch here. And when it's dark mode, we can change the logo to the website assets one, and we can transition between the two. And let's say for light mode, it's this. It's the bicycle one. And for the dark mode, it's the website assets one. And you can see it changes between them, right? So now we can also change the logo height here in pixels, or in however amount you want to input here. You can also change it depending on if you're on tablet or on mobile. And there's how you change the logo on WordPress Blocksy. So let's go ahead and click on Publish. Wait for it to load and save up. And we can return to our page here. We can hit refresh. And you can see we have a different logo now. And if we change it to light mode, it changes to the bicycle icon there. So there's how you change the logo on your WordPress Blocksy starter site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.